The day lies before me with fun and opportunity in store. Let's look at the old to-do list so I can do how I do. This is how I to-do it. Not ripe yet. Tickle the ivories. Call the service center about the exchange.
Hello, thank you for calling Venison Industries. Your matter is of prima facie significance to us, and we continually appreciate your patronage. Have your item number ready so for one of our members to service you better. To make a payment, press 1. To speak to a representative of our Buddy Buddy Wink Wink Club, press 2 now.
I think it wise to just hit 0 hella times.
Pump action, speakers, class action, suit, press 3. But that was some bullshit, man.
Greetings, my name is Tanya. May I be of service to you? How?
Yes, hello, I'm calling about...
I can have your order number, please.
Okay, it's 524136745431234534123412454.
Wait,
5 is in Nancy. 236755614123412454245.
Okay, I have 9526.
No!
7,
No! It's 524.
Can I please confirm your customer number? Your social security number, please. Yes, that's great. Mother's maiden name? I like the sound of your voice. And then I spent a number of years in boarding school. Okay, so what are you calling about today, Mr. Fathoms?
I wanted to exchange the gift I bought.
Great, I'll connect you to our absolution department.
Wait. It's Rad Brad. Hi, Rad Brad.
Where you be, B? I've been chirping your line all morning.
Aw, Chi, I've been trying to resolve a transaction.
You wiggin' dog. Yo, I need your help. 9/11 status.
I'll never forget a pal in need. How can I help?
My guinea pig booked at this AM, Rogue. You know he be loving the sound of your kazoo. You play that, he'll come running like some Pied Piper shit.
But Rad Brad! You know I haven't played since! And I haven't played the kazoo since...
Yo, Velcro, that busy was whack.
Maybe.
Deal with it.
Well, okay, I'll help find your guinea pig.
Fresh, let's roll out.
Well, pal, which way should we go, do you reckon?
Every which way, homie. You won't rest till we find my guinea pig.
Super.
Yo, peep this. We can cover more ground. Hop on, we ride. Here, Piggy Piggy. Damn, I ain't seen him anywheres.
Gee whiz, and I'm still on hold.
Situation critical.
Rad Brad, watch out!
Whoa! Rad Brad and Velcro continued their quest, searching the streets high and low. No stone was turned because the guinea pig hates stones and generally stays away from them. It seemed like their efforts might be fruitless until...
Jeepers!
Chill, B, what is it?
The hold music stopped. I was hung up on.
Damn, that's whack.
Look, Rad Brad, I wasn't hung up on.
My guinea piggy, fresh. Your code got chewed through. You wasn't hung up on, but the end result is the same. Sorry, dog.
Shucks!
What was you on hold for anyhow?
Well, I shouldn't tell you this, but I was trying to exchange your birthday present. I ordered you this shirt, but it was too large.
Nah, homie, those threads are dope. I like my tees baggy.
Well, I guess everything worked out well for us in the end.